Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be sitting down to recreate one of my first makeup tutorials, and yeah, I don't think this is like the first ever one I did, but it's definitely one of the first makeup tutorials I've done. So yeah, this was way back in 2014, you guys. I'm gonna try and recreate it, use the most similar products I possibly can, because I definitely don't own all of those products that I did way back when. So let us get it started. Firstly, I need to record my screen. Also, random fact, I don't know if you guys were able to tell, but this is like a champagne-y gold background and it looks identical to the silver one, especially when it's blurred out like this. But I guess it's a little bit more warmer than the silver one, so. Okay, so this makeup tutorial is called the Subtle But Pretty Smoky Eyes, and I uploaded this on the 6th of September 2014, so yeah, I started my channel in March 2014. But anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. So today's video we're going to be doing this easy, really super easy yet so pretty makeup look. And I included lashes because I've recently had an obsession with lashes. I just feel like it takes your eye makeup to the next level, like no joke. And I just think it's really awesome, especially with eyelashes. It's so simple, so easy. It's almost like a subtle smoky eye. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but we'll see how it goes. So hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm so sorry I haven't made a video in so long. If you guys can't see, I am breaking out so. Firstly, I think Sanesh in 2014 had better skin than I do right now.
Well, this camera, thank God, does me justice, because my
And I was filming on a webcam, so.
absolutely horrible, and it has been so horrible. I cannot even tell you how horrible it's been.
Okay,
I'm
girl,
so grateful that you don't have to
get on with the tutorial.
because it's a night. Like the video and subscribe. Don't forget. Bye. Okay, so I'm priming my eyelids with the Avon eyeshadow primer in the shade light beige.
Okay, so firstly, I feel like I had a more chubbier face in 2014, or is it just me? Like I had like chubby cheeks. Who is my dad's calling me, you guys? Hi, Dad. Okay, so I am back. I just had to answer a call from my dad. And I'm going to be trying out this Morphe eyelid primer in the shade Translucent. I don't really have any eyeshadow primers that are similar to the one I used in this video, so I'm going to be using this Morphe one. It's my first time using it, so let's see how it goes. What does 19-year-old Sanesh do next? Isn't it crazy? I was 19, I was still a baby.
And priming my eyelids for me is very important. Then I'm going to take this light brown shade. This is a nice warm brown, and
Okay, nothing much has changed. Your girl still dispenses product on the outer corner of her eye and takes it into the crease. I'm sorry if I was making a noise while taking out my palette. I'm gonna go in with my Switch Beauty Slays for Days palette, simply because I definitely do not have the products I used back then. I think it was Sophia, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Sophia. Actually, I think it was a mix between Sophia and Gabby. Now bear in mind, you guys, this look is definitely gonna turn out a lot more pigmented because I'm obviously using products that are a lot more better in quality. Okay, so now
I'm taking this Essence pigment.
guys, to this day I still get tongue-tied. It's just like I speak so fast. I don't know what it is about me. I speak so fast that my brain can't catch up. It's a problem.
In the shade 9, and I'm taking this flat shader brush and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids on around 3/4 of my eyelid.
Wow, my angles were bad, guys.
You can pack on as much color as you want. Then I'm taking this brown eyeshadow, and I...
Okay, so I definitely use like a light goldish color, so I'm gonna go in with Noisette. Now, one thing I've noticed about like my technique back in the day is that, as funny as it is, I used to go in with a transition shade first, then go in with my shimmer shades, and then go in with my really darkest transition shade. And a part of me thinks it's because I was using like low quality eyeshadows, and so it was just easier and more vibrant if I packed on the shimmer shades before I went in with the darker shades, I think. So I don't know what was my motivation behind that whole situation, but yeah. So I'm gonna take Noisette. I'm following my exact tutorial, you guys, because why not? Alrighty, so the next thing I did was go in with a darker brown, and I think I'm gonna go in with Nabila, which is this one right here. And just take Nabila and working that on the outer corner of my eye and into my crease. So I also was definitely a lot more conservative with my winged liner back in the day, because I was sporting a short winged liner, you guys, and now my wings are pretty long. Okay, so now that that is done, let's see what's the next step.
And I just do a bit lighter.
Okay, girl.
Black eyeshadow, and I'm going to...
Wow, your girl is speeding through this tutorial. Oh my god. Alrighty, so she took a black, and in this palette we do have a black. It's the shade Bella. I'm saying she as in this person's not me, but yeah, I'm just whatever. Oh wait, I forgot I don't have my foundation done. Alrighty, we're just gonna put some concealer on the lower lash and get straight to it, shall we? So now that we have some concealer down here, I'm gonna go in with the Bella shade and just put some black on my lower lash line. I don't know why I went in with black, but as you heard in the video, I was trying to balance my top and bottom lash line. Okay, girl. And then I'm taking my first two transition shades, which was a mixture of Gabby and Sophia. And I'm just going to use that to blend out this black. And then I went in with some mascara.
Super quickly. As you can see, my left eyebrow is giving me issues, but yeah, long story short.
My left eyebrow has always been a problem.
By Amazing Shine eyelashes, and yeah, they're so nice. And I highlighted my brow bone, and now I'm applying lashes. So the reason why I highlighted my brow bone in between applying lashes is because you have to let the eyelash glue get tacky so that it doesn't become a hot mess on your eye.
I've been preaching this since I started YouTube, you guys.
So yeah, I'm just applying that. And then I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Very simple. Now I'm gonna contour my face as always. I'm pretty sure I did this before I applied false lashes, but any rounds up for some baba.
My nose looks so big.
Yeah, enjoy. Bye.
Did my nose shrink?
And by the way, I'm so sorry for my hair. I just washed it and I was lazy to style it. So I was like,
Oh, Miss Sassy.
people want nice makeup.
Oh. Okay, Miss Sassy. Okay. So, that was a quick tutorial. Okay, so firstly, I did highlight my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take the shade Aisha and highlight my brow bone. Nothing's changed. I was doing this back in the day. Alrighty, so I know in that video, you know, my makeup was done, or my foundation was done off of camera. I think I did my foundation first, then my eye makeup, then my concealer, and then I contoured, blush, and bronzer and all that stuff. I don't know why I didn't include it. Clearly, I was starting out, so don't judge me. So firstly, I'm going to go in with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer. So I'm going to be mixing my two Wet n Wild foundations, Toffee and Caramel. As always, I'm putting Toffee on the outer perimeters of my face, and I'm putting Caramel in the center of my face. And I'm going to go in with a brush and just blend this out. So the concealer that I used under my eyes, where did I put it? Am I losing my mind? It was right in front of my face. Oh, I put it back in my foaming box. Alright, so I was using the Wet n Wild Medium Peach Concealer. I've been using this concealer for so long. I mean, the writing has even rubbed off, but it doesn't even feel like I'm close to being finished with this concealer. It is weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my luxury banana powder from Revolution. This is honestly my favorite powder, you guys, and I think one of the main reasons is because it does keep me more matte than the Yardley Absolute Translucent powder did. Okay, so back in the day, I definitely did not use to bronze my face, which is shocking. But I am definitely going to go in and bronze my face just because I can't live without bronzing these days, you guys. I'm using my Benefit Hoola as always. And then to contour my face, I'm going to be using my LA Girl pressed powder in the shade Chocolate. And my Switch Beauty G31 contour brush. And one thing which I did not do back in the day is contour my nose. Why? I have no idea. But now I have to contour my nose, which it's probably why my nose looked like so huge. It's because I never contoured it back in the day. Alrighty, and then for blush, I'm gonna be taking my Sultry Sienna blush from Revlon. I'm going to be using my Nikkie Tutorials times Ofra highlighter. I'm using this because, to be honest, back in the day, I never imagined I would own something that was a collaboration with a YouTuber and a brand. And now I own several products that's a collaboration between a YouTuber and a brand. And so, why not? I'm just going to highlight the center of my face. I'm taking the champagne color in this trio. How I slept on this brand for so long, I don't even know, but I really am obsessed with these highlighters. Purple lip liner and hot pink lipstick used to be my vibe. I don't know why, but it used to be my vibe. So I'm going to be using my Essence soft contouring lip liner. This is in the shade Miss You Much, and this is a purple. I was like really into hot pink lipstick back in the day, but I could honestly never get away with using just a hot pink. Okay, so the purple lip liner is down, and now we're gonna go in with a hot pink lipstick. Now, the first hot pink I owned was MAC Candy Yum Yum. Actually, I'm lying, not the first hot pink I owned. The first MAC lipstick I owned was MAC Candy Yum Yum. Yeah, guys, go big or go home. Oh, it's bringing me so much memories, you guys. Alrighty, so I just put on some Tassie B Starlit lashes. I thought, why not finish off this look by using one of the first lash brands that ever believed in me to be their brand ambassador. So Thank you so much to Tazzy B Lashes. And I'm gonna finish off this look with some setting spray. Now, I never used to do this back in the day, but why not now? Again, I couldn't afford setting spray back in the day. Let me be honest. And also, one of the reasons why I used to use rose water as setting spray is because it was an affordable alternative to like legit setting spray. Because if you look at the price of setting spray these days, like the cheapest you can get at the drugstore is either LA Girl or Essence. Oh, I'm sorry if you guys can hear this on the microphone. And yeah, like really good quality setting sprays are quite expensive, but yeah, it is what it is. So that is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know if you guys would like me to recreate any more of my other really old videos. Like I could probably do one from each year that I've been on YouTube. So I could do one from 2014, which was this one. I could do another one from 2015, another one from 2016, another one from 2017. You let me know, comment down below and all that good stuff, and you'll know I'll get it done. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.